Happy International Bagpipe Day! I thought I'd give you a quick lesson on how the bagpipes work. The bagpipes are called bagpipes because we have a bag and we have some pipes. The pipes, these three here, are called the drones. They make a droning sound in the background, two tenor drones and a bass drum. Then we have the blowpipe, which is for blowing in, and then we have the chanter, which is where your fingers go, and depending where your fingers go, it depends which note comes out. Then we have the bag. This is the bag here with its clothes on. This is the bag naked. Now, inside the drones, we have a reed. The reeds look like this, and there is a tongue here which vibrates up and down. It makes it sound like this. There are two tenor drones that are the same, and then a bass drone. There is a barrel in the bottom of the blowpipe to stop all the air from rushing back in the face. This one is called chanter, and there is a double reed in here. This is the hardest one to blow. Then you need to concentrate on the pressure. You need to keep the pressure the same in the bag to create airflow through the four different reeds. So it takes me 3 breaths to blow the bag up when getting started, and then I control the pressure with my elbow. When I'm blowing in, then I release the pressure. When I'm taking a breath, I squeeze a bit hard. Something like this.